To reschedule an immigration interview, it is essential to understand the process and timeline involved. The process typically starts with contacting the National Visa Center or the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, depending on the type of immigration case. Step 1 is to check the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services or the National Visa Center for the contact information and instructions on rescheduling an interview. The applicant should have their case number and other relevant details readily available when making the request. Step 2 involves submitting a request to reschedule the interview, which can usually be done online, by phone, or by mail. The request should include a valid reason for rescheduling, such as a conflict with a prior commitment or unforeseen circumstances. Once the request is submitted, it may take several days to several weeks for the application to be processed and a new interview date to be assigned. The processing time can vary significantly depending on the workload of the office and the complexity of the case. In general, it can take anywhere from a few days to several months to reschedule an immigration interview. It is crucial to plan ahead and submit the request as early as possible to avoid delays in the immigration process. Best practices include being prepared with all necessary documents and information, following up with the relevant office if there are any issues or delays, and being flexible with potential new interview dates. By understanding the process and being proactive, applicants can navigate the system more efficiently and achieve their immigration goals. It is also important to note that rescheduling an interview may impact the overall processing time of the immigration application, and in some cases, may require additional documentation or evidence. Therefore, it is essential to carefully review the instructions and requirements before submitting a request to reschedule an immigration interview.